Are you guys there? Man, this is another vlog where I'm gonna take you guys outside of the studio and let's go out and find some new products to review. Now, what's up everybody? I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend and I hope this Sunday is just absolutely amazing for you guys. Now, this is Saturday for me, so I'm gonna try to turn this video around real quick to shoot it or to show it to you guys on Sunday. And I'm just so excited. I'm finally back with this vlog thing. I know the first one didn't do so well and I was super uncomfortable in front of the camera, but today I'm gonna do it as good of a job as I can. I'm gonna try to be less, uncomfortable and really take you guys along with me to show you this awesome place that I found. Now, this place can be found all across the United States. There's so many places like this that you can find, maybe even in other countries. Now, what I'm talking about is something that I haven't seen anybody on the Amazon Influencer Program really talk about. And I'm in need of some more products to review, and you may be too. So I would highly recommend this place. I hope it's gonna be as good as I'm thinking, but what I'm talking about is liquidation pallets. Now, a lot of little companies are popping up, or like small warehouses are popping up where they're buying pallets and they're getting all this rejected like Amazon stuff, Target stuff, and they're selling it for great prices. So I found one near me and I'm gonna take you guys along so we can check it out and see, what we can find and how great of a deal this is. So if you guys simply just search liquidation pallets near me on Google, you will be able to find places just like this for you that you could check out and possibly find stuff to review. So I hope you guys stick along for the ride. I'm gonna do my best to take you with me and show you as much as I can, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog number 2. So without further ado, let's go. We have arrived. The location that I'm at is Quick Lots. It's some like small tiny warehouses over here. I'm so excited to go inside and kind of like check it out, see what we find. So let's go in. Okay guys, basically there's just so much stuff here that you kind of have to go through and see, like if it's on Amazon, if it's worth it to make a review. But the prices are amazing. Like, check this out. There's just so much stuff to go through. Look at all this luggage, all of these boxes. It's super cool, super crazy what you can find here. So I'm just still looking. Okay guys, I'm still in the process of finding stuff, but everything's 50% off, so it's great deals, and you have to just look everything up on Amazon, but this is still super amazing and super crazy. So I'll show you what I get in a little bit. Okay guys, we made it back to the house. I have some of the things here that I purchased, and man, what an experience that was. I'm so glad I checked it out. I'm so glad I found that place, and I did pick up some items that I can share with you and that I'm planning to review. Now, there were other items that I picked up that kind of were like I don't even know how they got these items, but it was from like Target, a lot of discounted items from Target and some other big furniture stores, and I was able to purchase some furniture items that I'm gonna be needing in the near future. So I was able to pick up some chairs, some like dining room chairs, a vacuum cleaner, and just some other necessities that I needed that I don't really want to show and I don't plan on really using for the Amazon Influencer Program, but I do have a few things here that I picked up. And as you saw in some of the clips that I posted in this video, there was a ton of products that were straight from Amazon. These may not be products that you would typically, order from Amazon, or maybe not the best items that you would like to review, but because they had them for such cheap prices at my disposal, I could just pick it up, I could review it, I could possibly resell it for even more money than I paid. I feel like this is a great thing. I will definitely be going back to this store and, picking up more items and checking out if they've added any new things. But right here with me, I have some Scrub Daddies that I found over there that I'm super excited to use and review. I also found this Hamilton Beach chopper, which looks very good. I'll definitely use it and utilize it, and I'm super happy to test it out and review it. And then I also picked up this, I don't know, but I've seen a bunch of these online, but it's basically like a dish drying rack that you can just place on top of your sink and, let your dishes dry without having like a real big drying rack for all your dishes. So I have these 3 items here. Like I said, I also have a vacuum cleaner that I purchased for a steal of a deal, as well as some dining room chairs that I'm super excited to show you guys in the future. Now, if you take anything out of this video, I really just wanted to show you that you really have to be creative. There's a ton of different ways out here that you can find products for the Amazon Influencer Program without just purchasing off of Amazon and reinvesting a ton of your money. Now, all of these things here that I've just found, I will be able to use around the home. I will get good use out of them, but I can still make reviews for them as well. So just be creative, find new places, do some research and think of ways that you can find these products for great prices and not just waste your money or, just purchasing everything from Amazon. So I really think that finding liquidation pallet stores or warehouses is a great idea. And, you might find an even better store than mine where, there's tons of products and you buy so much. So these stores are always changing, which is great. There was so many things that random things. You're like looking through bins and you're finding random stuff, and these stores are everywhere. So definitely check out your area and see if you guys have a store just like this near you. Now, with the Amazon Influencer Program just making so many different changes and updates, just be sure to keep making videos, stay consistent, and your commissions will continue to grow. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know this vlog was a little bit weird, like all of my vlogs have been. This store in particular was blasting a lot of copyrighted music, so it was really hard to capture video and really record myself. Plus, there was just so much going on, and I really had to be on my phone looking up these products to see what was worth buying and what wasn't. But I will say, I had a great time. I, stepped outside of my comfort zone. I learned a lot, and I'm so glad I checked out this store. So I really recommend you guys do the same. Be creative, stay motivated, and keep posting on the Amazon Influencer Program. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you very soon. Bye. Also, real quick, if you're still there, we are super close to 1,000 followers, so be ready for the giveaway. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications, and we will be giving away this gift card very soon. Okay, for real this time, bye.